Hello everyone, in this simple video I will show you how to private your Twitter account. Now if you are not updated the Twitter app, please update it from the Play Store or the App Store. Now this setting is, you can do this setting in both Android and iPhone. So once you are logged into your Twitter account here, you need to click on your profile picture at the top left hand corner. Now you need to click on the settings and privacy at the bottom. Okay, now you will see this screen. If you are not seeing this screen, that means you have not updated your app. You will see exactly similar to this screen. Okay, now you need to click in the middle, which is the option is privacy and safety. Click on that one. Now click on the first option that you see, audience and tagging. Okay, now you can see the first option, which is protect your tweets. Only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. Okay, you need to turn it on. Now this will make your tweets, this will make your Twitter account private. Okay, nobody will be able to see your tweets. They will just be able to see your bio. Okay, so this is how you can private your Twitter account. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.